Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different crafty activities. Let's begin with the first one. First, you just have to trace down some of the lines from the upper area. After that, with the help of the earbud, you are going to make some of the imprints. Now, with the help of the colorful sheets of the paper, we are going to make the jigs. Let's move towards our another activity. This one, we are taking some of the natural grasses and we are pasting them on this white sheet of the paper one after the other with the help of the double-sided tape. This activity is again very simple. We are going to make use of some peanut shells and we are placing them one after the another. These are going to represent the cute little bunnies and we are filling it with some colorful colors. Let's move further towards our another activity. For this one, we are trimming down this mask. After that, we are filling it with some of the different shades of the green color. Now we are placing them over the clay that we have placed at the center with the help of the scraping tool over the trunk of this tree. Now from the lower portion, we are making some of the grass and birds also. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you are showing you how we can make this cactus. You just have to take some of the clay and you just have to pull it down from the upper portion towards the lower one. You will have to repeat the same one for the soil. And after that, we are going to make round area. These are going to represent the cactus. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, we are taking the colorful tissue. We are filling it with the color and after that we are going to insert them inside the clay balls that we have placed over the sheet of the paper. These are going to represent the cute little chicks. Don't forget to make the features like the beak, legs and the eye area. This activity is again very simple. You can make use of different shades. Also, let's move towards our another activity. For this one, we are again taking the mask and we are filling it with the different shades of the color. After that, we are just pulling them towards the downward direction in the clay that we have placed over the white sheet of the paper, making the rest of the features. Now let's try to make a beautiful tree. For this one again we are making use of the two green shades and the yellow one. After that we are trimming it down as apparent here. Now we are making the tree tank and we are placing some of the clays over it. Now we are going to pull it towards the downward direction with the help of the scraping tool and it's going to represent a tree. This activity is small and it's very easy. Let's move towards our another activity. First, we are taking some of the earbuds and we are just trimming it down as shown here. After that, we are placing them in the circular shape. These are going to represent some of the petals of the flower. At the center, we are placing the yellow colored clay and now with the help of the toothpick, we are making some of the markings. Now we are taking the marker and we are making the stalks for these flowers. In the background, we are adding a beetle. For that, we are making use of the red clay and we are using a black marker to make the imprints. Let's move further towards our another activity. For this one, we require the egg and we are going to fill it with the white color. At the center, we are placing some of the yellow colored clay balls and now we are going to make the stalk and we are making the leaves with the help of the clay. Beetle is to be made use of the cardboard that we have used earlier. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, we are making use of some of the leaves and we are going to paste them in the shape that's apparent on your screen. So you can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. This activity is very less time consuming and it's best suitable for the small kids. Let's move towards our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make a giraffe out of the peanut shells. We are going to place them in different directions and we are going to fix all of them together, joining them with the help of the black marker. You can just repeat it for the another giraffe in the opposite direction. This activity is again very cool. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, we are taking some of the pine and we are just trimming it down at the center. Now we are taking this pink colored type of the pen and we are making the flamingo. This activity is very less time consuming and it's so beautiful and a unique one. In the background, we are adding some of the leaves. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, we are taking the orange and we are making use of the orange peels and we are placing them in this direction. These are going to represent a caterpillar and we are making some of the features like the eyes, antennae, etc. Thank you.